Even if you weren't born to rich parents, your kids can be wealthy. I think I speak for most parents or future parents when I say we all want to give our children a better life than the one we grew up with. A big part of that is ensuring that your kids are put in an easier financial situation than we were. During my childhood, I didn't have much knowledge about finances, so I had to do a lot of learning to figure out things during my 20s. But it would have been easier if my parents put me in a better financial position. In this video, we'll be exploring how wealthy individuals leverage custodial accounts to secure their children's financial freedom and set them up for financial success long before their little ones can walk, talk, or even understand the concept of money. Before we dive in, show your appreciation by clicking the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more valuable content. Like the name implies, a custodial account is an investment account held in a minor's name, managed by an adult until the child reaches the age of 18 or 21, depending on the state. The custodian controls and makes decisions regarding the account's assets, ensuring the funds grow while in the account. For example, let's say Jenny wants to save for her son Brian's future first car, who is 10 years old. She proceeds to open a custodial account in Brian's name, depositing $100. As the custodian, Jenny manages the account, investing the funds in a diversified portfolio of stocks. The account earns interest and grows over time. By the time Brian turns 18, that initial investment, combined with regular small contributions from birthdays and holidays, had grown into a substantial sum. Jenny then transfers the account to his control, allowing him to use the funds for his car expenses, entrepreneurship, or other purposes. This example is a typical reality of what custodial investing can do for your child's financial future. The best part? The funds can be used for any purpose that benefits the child. This means whether your child dreams of starting a business, pursuing higher education, or making a down payment on their first home, the money from investing in various stocks, ETFs, and more will be there to support their aspirations. There are no limits to the use or purpose of a custodial account, providing unparalleled flexibility. Custodial accounts offer a remarkable array of advantages that extend far beyond simple savings. Yes, it's not just about saving up money for your child's future needs, it's an opportunity that can be utilized to teach your child valuable life skills. From encouraging smart financial habits like investing, to fostering a healthy relationship with money, to critical thinking skills, and cultivating a forward-thinking mindset, having a custodial account for your child could become a hands-on learning experience, empowering your child to navigate the complexities of personal finance and overall well-being in life. Children can watch their money grow, learn about different investment options, and begin to understand concepts like compound interest, market volatility, and risk management in a controlled environment. The reality is, this hands-on experience often proves more valuable than any theoretical lesson about money management. The tax advantages of custodial accounts are particularly compelling. Though it differs from state to state, unearned income in the account could be entirely tax-free, and the next taxed at the child's rate, which is typically much lower than the parent's rate. The structure creates an opportunity for tax-efficient wealth transfer while teaching valuable lessons about tax planning and financial responsibility. Now, let's check out the 4 best custodial accounts to consider for your child. Number 1, Fidelity. This is a popular custodial account option for minors. This pioneering product transforms the abstract concept of investing into a tangible, engaging experience for every child until 17. With no minimum investment requirement, maintenance fees, 0 account fees, and no commission on trades, Fidelity removes the traditional barriers to entry that often discourage investors, which makes it an attractive choice for parents and guardians. The account offers a range of investment options, including Fidelity index funds, ETFs, and individual stocks. Fidelity's user-friendly online platform and mobile app make it easy to manage the account and track performance. Fidelity stands out by offering fractionable shares, allowing investors to purchase portions of stocks with any available funds. This innovative feature eliminates the need for a substantial upfront investment, making it accessible to open a custodial account for your child regardless of your financial situation. And the best part, Fidelity's unique feature allows friends and family to contribute to the child's custodial account whenever they want. This thoughtful feature enables loved ones to show their care and support in a meaningful way, investing in the child's future well-being. An act that the child will appreciate immensely. Notably, Fidelity ensures a seamless transition when the child comes of age. Depending on the standard age in each state, the account can be easily transferred to the child, giving them control over their financial future. The platform's educational approach mirrors how teenagers naturally learn in the digital age. Rather than overwhelming users with complex financial jargon, Fidelity introduces concepts gradually through interactive experiences. Young investors can explore the platform's learning center, where real-world scenarios and engaging content make complex financial concepts accessible and relevant. Parents maintain oversight while allowing their teenagers to develop independence in their investment decisions. The platform includes safeguards that prevent common beginner mistakes while providing enough freedom for meaningful learning experiences. Real-time notifications keep parents informed of account activity, creating opportunities for valuable discussions about financial decision-making. If you've been enjoying the video so far, kindly use this moment to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Number 2. Charles Schwab. Charles Schwab's custodial account offering transforms the potentially daunting world of investing into an approachable and educational experience. It provides a comprehensive investment solution for minors. With no minimum balance required and no annual fees, it's an excellent option for families, typically like Fidelity. Schwab offers a wide range of investment products, including ETFs, mutual funds, and individual stocks. The benefits of opening a Schwab custodial account includes access to Schwab's research tools and educational resources. The platform is designed to be user-friendly with an intuitive online platform and mobile app, making it suitable for both beginners and more advanced young investors. The account also provides 24/7 customer support, ensuring help is always available when needed. Schwab's commitment to transparency and low costs makes it an attractive option for those seeking a trustworthy custodial account. The innovative stock slices feature revolutionizes how young investors can participate in the market. Instead of needing hundreds or thousands of dollars to invest in blue-chip companies, children can own fractional shares of their favorite companies for as little as $5. This makes diversification accessible even with limited funds and helps children understand the concept of partial ownership in companies they know and use. Schwab's research tools adapt to growing expertise levels. As young investors become more sophisticated, they can access deeper layers of market analysis, company information, and investment research. The platform grows with your child, supporting their journey from basic concepts to more complex investment strategies. Number 3. Stash. Stash is a micro-investing app designed for beginners. With no minimum balance requirement and a $1 monthly fee, usually waived for accounts under $1,000, it's an accessible option for kids and teens. Stash offers a range of themed investment portfolios, allowing users to invest in alignment with their values and interests. And there's more. Stash's mobile app is user-friendly, making it easy to manage investments on the go. The app also provides educational resources and tools to help users learn about investing and personal finance. With Stash's automatic investment feature, users get to start building wealth with minimal effort. Number 4. M1 Finance. When it comes to M1 Finance, it's like a perfect blend of automation, flexibility, and educational value. M1 Finance revolutionizes the traditional custodial account experience through its unique pie-based investing approach, where investors can diversify their investments into stable, well-established companies, others in growing sectors, and maybe even some dedicated to their favorite brands. This visual, intuitive approach makes it easier for parents to teach their children about portfolio diversification and asset allocation while watching their pie or investment increase. The journey with M1 Finance custodial accounts begins with M1 Plus membership, their premium subscription service. While this does require an annual fee of $125, the benefits extend far beyond just custodial accounts, making it a worthwhile investment for families serious about their child's financial future. Setting up a custodial account with M1 Finance is refreshingly straightforward. Parents or guardians can easily transfer funds from their bank account and begin building their child's investment portfolio immediately. One of M1 Finance's standout features is the automated investment management system. Once you've established your child's investment pie, the platform automatically maintains your desired asset allocation through dynamic rebalancing. The automatic dividend reinvestment feature demonstrates the power of compound growth to young investors. When companies in your child's investment pie pay dividends, M1 Finance automatically reinvests these earnings according to your pie's allocation. This hands-off approach to dividend reinvestment ensures no opportunity for growth is missed, while teaching valuable lessons about passive income and compound returns. While these 4 accounts cater to different needs and preferences, Fidelity offers comprehensive beneficial services, which makes it my favorite and most recommended for your child's custodial account needs. Remember that the ultimate goal of custodial investment extends beyond building wealth. You're helping shape your child's relationship with money, installing financial confidence, and providing practical experience in making informed financial decisions. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.